at the Radius construction site and it's a super busy day. Lots going on. I'm here with Don Poirier, our construction manager, and this is pretty cool. Don, tell us what we're pouring today.
Okay, today we are pouring out our column pads. Our column pads is basically the essence of our foundation. It's basically what holds up this entire building. Like everything in life, you need a solid foundation to build on, and this is certainly it. And you can see behind me here, the guys are right now pouring out the column pad. And the reason that these pads are so large, both in width and depth, is because it has to react to the forces that are being applied to it. So if you imagine something pushing down on it, something's got to push back on that force. And if these column pads were not thick enough, the column pad would start to fold in on itself. And that's the reason that we have such thick column pads on this project, because there's a lot of weight sitting down on this building.
How many are there?
Oh my. In the parkade, there's probably over 70 column pads in this building, plus the perimeter footings as well as interior footings. There's a lot of support at the base of this building.
Cool. Thanks, Don.
You're welcome.